Let's be real, solvents are in the hot seat right now. Around the world, the rules on VOCs and hazardous air pollutants are getting stricter by the day. The pressure's on, and it's not letting up. If you're in the coatings game, you already know. Just tweaking an old formula isn't going to cut it anymore. The future? It belongs to those who can deliver tough solvent-free coatings that don't compromise on durability or that perfect finish. Picture this. A huge new project lands on your desk. The client wants it all. Low-VOC, eco-friendly, but it still has to fight off rust, shrug off chemicals, and look fantastic. So, are you ready? Because this isn't just about swapping one solvent for another and calling it a day. It's about thinking bigger, rethinking your whole approach, mastering new chemistries, and staying a step ahead of everyone else. That's exactly why we created our expert-led online training, Solvent Replacement in Industrial Coatings, Formulation Modifications and Proven Strategy. And trust me, this isn't just another boring theoretical training, it's a hands-on deep dive for real-world professionals, R&D chemists, formulators, engineers, and product developers working in coatings, polymers, and all the related industries. Here's what you'll actually take away. You'll learn how to ditch solvents without losing performance. Your films will keep their gloss, resist corrosion, and flow just right, even as you say goodbye to those old VOC heavy blends. We're talking practical, real-world tactics, not just theory. You'll see how to adapt resin systems, wetting agents, and grind processes for waterborne, high solids, or UV curable coatings. You'll get hands-on with predictive tools like Hansen solubility parameters and evaporation modeling, so you can pre-screen your options and save time, money, and a lot of frustration in the lab. Plus, we'll tackle the real headaches: sag, flash rust, dry time, tricky adhesion, and early water sensitivity. And most importantly, you'll see what actually works in epoxy, polyurethanes, and alkyd reformulations, backed by real data, not just wishful thinking. This training, it's your secret weapon. Stay ahead of REACH, EPA, and India's ever-changing regulations. Be the one leading the charge for sustainability and circularity in industrial coatings, the go-to expert when your company needs performance and compliance. Ready to get your hands on the next generation of coating technology? Then don't wait. Grab your spot, sharpen your skills, and future-proof your career. Register today. To register, click on the link in the description or visit OnlyTRAININGS.com. And do check out the newly launched OnlyTRAININGS Academy for hundreds of expert-led on-demand training courses.